Alright, next up is dump some Stanodyne in. This is what I ran in my Cummins, so I'm gonna run some of this again. I think this is what most people use. I'm gonna put a lot in, and I know you're supposed to put it in when you fuel up, but way she goes. I'm gonna put some, like about a quarter of the bottle in now, and then I'm gonna fuel up in a bit, and then I'll put a bunch in, another about half the bottle in, quarter bottle in. Just on our undercoated truck. I don't really have that much more I need to do. I can go and pick up this package after 1 today. It's 12:15. What else do I gotta do? I just gotta wash the truck, and then I can put this package on, as far as I'm aware. And I mean, that's pretty much it. That's all I really got. I don't have any more parts coming in, really. I'm just waiting on one more for this kind of stuff, and then I can do that video. And yeah, so that's where we're at, guys. See you in a bit. Okay, so after some lunch, I just trimmed the front bumper again for, I think this is the second or third time. Keep finding out I keep rubbing, so hopefully this is enough this time. Nice and hack. I just gotta do throw some white over top of that. Same with this side, cut that up. And I just took the biggest sledge I had, I don't know, 10 or 15 pound, whatever it was, and hammered the crap out of the bumper on this side because it was all like bent up like that. And it sits a little bit more straight now, so I'll take that as a win. So now I gotta spray that. Spray right over here and over here. Just a quick once over. I don't know how there's undercoating up there, so that's cool. But it's time to wash the pig, so I'm gonna go do that. And then I'll, once it dries a little bit, I can do the touch-ups where I kind of hammered up. Yeah, how? But the entire right side of the truck is covered in undercoat. I couldn't see it because of the dirt before. But it's like, when you get up close, you can see all these little, like, it's all over. So I don't even know how that happens. I was under the truck. I wasn't anywhere around here. Like the whole door, even up to the roof. It makes no sense. Pretty pissed off about it though. So I guess I'm gonna try and buff this thing. And hopefully buffing it will take out all these little chips. But like, it's so retarded. Like even my legs are like covered in it. I don't know how it happens. It's so thick that you'd think that not like whatever. I'm so pissed. I'm gonna try and buff this thing real quick, just on the right side. But buffing it is taking off this stuff, but that's just so annoying. Like, why do I have to rebuff this thing? Like, I get it, it's windy out and I'm spraying undercoat, but look where I'm spraying undercoat, under the truck. How does it come out of here and go up to the roof? Makes zero sense. So annoying. Now I've got to spend, I just did that one section, so, and that took me like 5-10 minutes, set everything up. Now I've got to spend half an hour doing this side of the truck. Like, it's not in the hood, but it got all over the bumper, all over here, and then it just stops right here. This whole side of the truck is fine. So annoying. It's better now at least. It just really sucks when stuff like that happens. When I'm trying to go to the gym twice in one day, whatever. So I threw a quick coat on where I trimmed the bumper and on the back bumper here. Let that sit for a couple minutes, throw another down. Done. Truck's washed anyway, I guess. She stretched her legs in a few days. Hope it likes the new fuel filter. Still smoking for it. What are you gonna do about it? post office, picked up my stuff. So this is what I've been waiting on. Kind of finish this truck off. These are my emblems. There we go. If I can get you to see that better. 7.3 Powerstroke. So this is like the 6-7 badges, but it's been customized so that it's like, I don't even know, I've never seen the 6-7 badges up close, but it says international on it, and the 7.3, like, this is, I love these. These are so good. So I've got 2 of them here. I was debating whether to go like on the fender down here or up here, but I think it makes more sense up here. I can cover up these holes and it just looks, oh god, they look so good. So I'm going to toss these on now, and this is really going to send the whole truck off. Alright, there's one of them on. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks unreal. Like, I saw these on eBay and it was like, I didn't care the price, I had to have them. I thought that was so cool. And they cover up some of the holes there, so that's wicked. Hope you guys like them. So I'm gonna toss the other one on here. Oh god, it looks so good. Fuel wheels, sweet badges. Truck's all polished up. She's looking good. Alright, so it's the next day. I didn't really have anything else big planned for today, but I figured I'm just gonna include this in one video. See how my dash is all wiggly like this? So I'm pulling the trim apart, and it's this clip right here is all mangled. So I think what I'm gonna do is drill a couple holes in the plastic here, one there, and then use some zip ties and see if that'll hold her a little bit tight. I'm pretty sure that's the only place where it's loose. Like, it does move quite a bit, but there's just no support there. So I'm hoping maybe if I do this here, it'll hold it a little bit tighter. So let's try that. Is in there. It actually worked really well. So I'm gonna run with this. I might see if I can toss another one in there for good measure, but she's solid. I might actually drill a hole through here, maybe. Or somewhere up here. Like, this is all covered, obviously. So yeah, I might drill a hole up here as well for extra strength. Alright, drilled the hole up there, got a couple more. She's solid. Before, this was like rattling around on bumpy roads, so this should be a lot nicer. Cool. Oh, looks like my glove box light is out. That's cool. Maybe I'll try and throw an LED in there. Back together. Nice and sturdy. So I'm gonna finish up cleaning this, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.